If you're dissolving your Wyoming LLC as a non-resident without filing the right forms, you'll owe annual fees forever, and here's the exact 4-step fix. Here's the problem. Most non-residents skip one state form and pay fees for years. File Articles of Dissolution with Wyoming Secretary of State within 30 days to stop annual fees immediately. Cancel your registered agent service the same day you file dissolution, or you'll pay $99 per year forever. Wyoming charges $60 annual report fees whether you use the LLC or not. A real scenario happens every month. A UK founder forms a Wyoming LLC in 2026, stops using it in 2026, never files dissolution, and gets a $160 late fee notice in 2026 plus $60 for 2027. That's $220 for a company you don't even use. This is exactly why Bastion Formations built a dissolution service for non-residents who need this done right the first time. Most people fail here. They think closing the bank account dissolves the LLC. It doesn't. Wyoming still lists you as active. You still owe the $60 annual report fee every single year. You still need a registered agent. Most non-residents discover this 18 months later when they get a collections letter for $300 in stacked fees. Step 1 is filing Articles of Dissolution with the Wyoming Secretary of State. The form costs $60. You can file online at wyomingbusiness.gov or mail it. Include your LLC name, file number, effective date, and signature. Filing takes 3 to 5 business days. Bastion Formations does this for you as part of our dissolution package, so nothing gets missed. Step 2 is notifying the IRS. File Form 966 within 30 days of the dissolution vote. This is important because the IRS doesn't talk to Wyoming. If you skip it, the IRS still expects tax returns. Send it to the address on the form matching your principal office location. Most non-residents mess up the address field and the form gets rejected. Here's the problem. If you dissolve in Wyoming but never tell the IRS, the agency keeps your EIN active. You'll get CP notices asking for late tax returns. The penalty is $220 per month per form. A non-resident in Germany ignored this in 2026 and owed $1,980 in penalties by March 2026 for a company that hadn't operated in 2 years. Step 3 is the final tax return. File Form 1065 if you had any activity in the final year, even $1. Mark the box that says Final Return at the top. Include a statement that says, "This LLC dissolved on date, under Wyoming Statutes Title 17. All assets were distributed. No liabilities remain." That exact wording tells the IRS you're done. If you had zero activity all year, file Form 1065 anyway with all zeros and mark Final. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle the dissolution, IRS notice, and final return for you. This LLC dissolved on your date, under Wyoming Statutes Title 17. All assets were distributed. No liabilities remain. File Articles of Dissolution within 30 days. Send Form 966 to IRS same month. Mark Final Tax Return and include Dissolution Statement. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for help dissolving your Wyoming LLC the right way. Visit https://bastionformations.com.